In the northwest corner of the Big Sky state of Montana, home to the bison, spacious mountains, pristine pastures, mountain lakes, and limitless open sky landscape, lies the town of Ronan and a corporation named Jour. It's a special place, it's a special company, one of spectacular vision, one of dramatic innovation, one of truly talented people committed to service and excellence. It's a company made up of people who make commitments and deliver. It's a place where inspiration leads to innovation and where innovation meets reality. Jour is a technology, power tool accessory, and sales support company in the drill and drive manufacturing industry that every day asks itself, why not instead of why? It's a company destined to do great things in partnership with its customers and brand partners, and through innovation and single-minded dedication to client service, bring value in truly surprising ways to your customers' lives and in an additive way to your bottom line. Jour is something new in a new time, a time of creation, a time of change, and ever-evolving innovation.
As a customer of Jour Corporation, I would be concerned about two primary things. Number one is providing the highest quality product to the end user, the consumer, whether it's a do-it-yourselfer or a contractor or professional. Highest quality product, and secondly, at the lowest price possible. So the innovation that Jour brings on the process and the product side is critical to providing both of those things.
At the very heart of Jour's quality and price strategy is a commitment to technology that delivers advantage, and a corporate culture and advanced process control system that gives it the ability to rapidly respond to and, in fact, embrace change. Combined, these quintessential corporate attributes actually permit cost and quality to coexist in an American company. Dedicated to excellence of service, Jour Corporation has integrated value-added internal capabilities that allow it to design, engineer, and manufacture innovative automation and component solutions. It houses its state-of-the-art manufacturing and production machinery in an almost surgically clean, amply sized white structure, staffed by technicians trained to oversee and manage that technology. Exclusive technology like CNC rotary grinding centers that produce quality finished drill bits within seconds, not days or weeks, giving our partner clients a greater capability to rapidly respond to changing market conditions and the demands of their customers. Exclusive CNC rotary grinding centers that are capable of monitoring consistency and quality to tolerances that no human in this country or elsewhere could ever consider. Technology like computerized high-speed rotary transfer cutting and machining systems to create the components that go into our products quickly, efficiently, and with little to no human intervention. Programmable robots that meet the stringent demands and requirements of the power and other drill and drive systems by enhancing ordinary round shank drill and drive accessories, transforming them into hex shank accessories and components, the heart of our fast change systems. Automated high-quality package manufacturing capabilities using internally created custom dies to produce the components that go into each customer's distinctive packaging. Automated packaging solutions to speed assembly, enhance our customers' product appearance, and give Jour the ability to respond to the individual needs of its customers. At every step of the manufacturing, production, and post-production process, the people of Jour have placed controls into the system, seeking continually to improve cost effectiveness, production speed, and product enhancement. For Jour believes profitability for our customers and for Jour resides in our ability to deliver efficiency.
One of the things that makes us a very special company is that from day one, because we're a very new company, less than a decade old, we have embraced technology from the get-go. What that means for us is whether it's equipment or whether it's payroll or whether it's accounting or general ledger issues or whether it's inventory issues, we are linked by electronics. We've invested in computerized electronics. All of our equipment has incorporated into it electronic interface mechanisms, computerization, to the highest degrees of the state-of-the-art today.
With this degree of automation and advanced process control, Joer committed years ago to training its operations, support staff, and workforce personnel in all of the advanced manufacturing technologies where communication is instantaneous, detailed, and exacting. Where production machinery has the ability to communicate and to be communicated with, designed into it. Advanced process control delivers efficiency coupled with consistency.
I think one of the competitive advantages that we have at Joer Corporation is our graphics department. It's a world-class graphics department that we have capabilities in-house that most companies will farm out and do off-site that we do here in Joer, and we're able to react to our customers' needs from a graphical standpoint very quickly.
The capabilities of our graphics and product design engineering groups is extensive, and rather than describe them to you, let's look at what they can do. In the northwest corner of Montana, there's a corporation named Joer. Joer, an American company where cost efficiency and quality do coexist.